Now I've already fixed my collar. I put my brand name on it. So what I'm going to do now, the last thing on it to fix the buttonholes, then we'll tack the button. Now you know it's on the right part that we put the front stay. So it is where you put that front stay that you do your buttonholes. So this is the right part for ladies shirt. Now for male shirt is actually on the left side. So I want to mark where I'll put my buttonholes. Now, of course, the under collar is going to have, use your pencil to mark. Don't use biro. That one is even too bright. So then the next thing is to mark for ladies shirt. You can just mark 2.5 inches from the base of the under collar. Just mark 2.5 inches, and then you mark 2.5 inches all through like that. It's 2.5. The button stand is just half. Make sure it is just at the center of the make sure it's at the center of the button stand. So another 2.5. So it will be 2.5 like that till down. That is where you will fix you do your buttonholes. Then on the other side you will tack your button. So I think that's that about this short sleeve shirt. Follow all the steps and you will just be fine. Then this will be the last one. You don't need to put any other one here. Do you understand? That should be at least like 4 to 5 inches under. Do you understand? So you don't need to put any buttonhole. That should be up to like 5 inches, 4.5 to 5. Here I have 5 inches. So the ones that I've marked is just fine. So that's that about buttonholes.